face, I don't recognize today.
It's 4:12.
Si Holly malamig. Good morning, Baba. Morning, nag-edit ako. And si Jan, may golf siya. Yung boys tulog pa. Today is April 16. Umuulan, Han. It's raining. Umuulan, mag-golf siya. Is it comp? Competition. And when was that? Honey, when was that?
Sunday.
Sunday. Overall, you?
For that day, yeah.
Yeah, for that day, siya yung panalo. How about Monday?
I think I'd fourth or something.
Fourth. That's
Well,
it.
see you, bye.
See ya.
Bye. Bye.
Good luck.
See you, bye.
Say see ya. Say good luck, Daddy. What's for breakfast, Holly?
Check your phone.
Hmm.
I wanna do it.
See, mag-edit muna ako.
Girl, I'm looking at a face, I don't recognize today myself.
Wow! Social naman ng friend ko. Naka Louis Vuitton. Baba! Friend ko siya from Canada.
Hi, Lexi.
Hi, Lex! Ang laki na ni Lexi.
Oo, bakula. Tingnan mo, mistisang mistisa
Oh, ang
siya.
puti. Si yung isa moreno. Lalaki naman yun, okay lang.
Oo, tingnan mo.
Kaya, hi Lexi. Anong kinakain mo, bola? Hi, hi Ate Holly. Tingnan niyo si Holly.
Hi, Ollie.
Holly, say hi to tita. Hi to tita.
Hi, Tita.
Tingnan mo, nakapajama. Yung pangtulog niya, tsaka dress.
Jana, this is clothes.
Oh, okay. Hindi raw yung PJ. Okay? It's your clothes. And binutasan ko na siya, guys. Oh, nakita niyo to kagabi, di ba? Lumalabas yung niya.
Mom cut it.
Yes. And si Kuya kumakain siya. Oh, inuubos niya na yung noodles.
Hey, I wanna
Ano
Okay.
yun? Hindi pa rin.
Oh, nagba-vlog. Oh, blinag kita. Hi, Dane. Dane. Hi. Sander, hello. Sander, say hi. You have a long hair.
Naka-charge kasi yung phone ko eh.
Ang haba ng buhok ni Sander. Say hi to Holly. Say hi to Sander. Ang haba naman ng buhok niya, ate.
Eh kasi nga hindi kami makapagpag-upit.
Ikaw na lang maggupit. Ay, Saki. Say good morning. Good morning. Nagbihis na naman siya.
spin.
Okay. Wow.
That's not how I spin.
What?
That's not like this.
It's alright.
That's not how I spin.
Okay, yo, change it, please. Make sure you put it...
Fix it, Mom.
Gusto niya mahaba. You want it longer? Ay, gusto niya mahaba. It's alright like that.
No, I can't spin.
Yeah, you have to turn quick. See? See, told you. Okay, can you brush your hair, please? Wow, okay. Kausap ko pa rin yung aking friend sa Canada. Nawala na yung camera ko. Sila yung maglilinis. Kuya will do what you gonna do, Kuya? Vacuum. Zach, fix your, di ba I told you about the disc? All your PS4? Sa Holly, nagbihis na naman siya. Pangatlo niya na to. Hey, sugar! Naka-leggings na siya. Okay, stay there, Kuya's. Gonna
This is pants.
Oh, it's leggings.
Pants and leggings.
Alright. Maglinis sila. Kausap ko pa rin yung friend ko. And si Sak, inutusan ko na diligan niya yung mga pananim ko. And yung aking mga, package, andyan pa rin. Thanks, Sak! Si Kuya dito siya. Are you done in the living room? So, ayan. Okay na dito. Dito naman siya sa kitchen. Si Sak tsaka si Holly nag-hide and seek sila. Si Kuya, ayan, pinupunasan niya yung mga frames. And, magbabacuum ulit si Kuya. Kuya, how about that one?
Mom,
Papa.
Holly.
Papa. Ha?
Are you still holding?
No, I didn't. So, iba-vacuum niya ulit yan. Dito naman siya. Ako pinupunasan ko yung fridge. And si Kuya yung mga pintuan or cabinets. Yung dalawa, naglalaro lang. Pero si sa kanina nag-ano rin siya sa kwarto ni Holly, naglinis. Is Holly's room clean, Kuya Zach? Ha? Is Holly's room is clean?
It's
Huh?
not there. Oh.
Oy, Zach! Oy! Is your bedroom clean? Huh?
You don't allow time there.
Why I'm not allowed?
Because
It's not clean. Go clean up you too.
it's ready, Clay. I'm dry.
It's ready. It's already clean?
Mama, someone.
I will check.
Oh, God.
I will check. What's wrong?
Oh, God.
What's that? It's alright. You can just wipe it. Oh, you too? Zachary and Holly, clean the baby's room, please.
I ready it.
I know you already did.
Ah!
Baba, clean up your bedroom, please.
That's not helping.
Kuya Zach, help, please.
I'm coming with you, Dad.
Who?
I'm coming with you.
So, ayan na yung nalinis ni Kuya. Okay na. And, andito naman siya sa may, dyan. Yung dalawa. I-check ko nga yung dalawa. Oh, you to make sure you're cleaning up there, ha? Hurry up. Baba, your nappies. Can you put your nappies on top? Please? That one. Yes, put it there. And,
I'm hiding it.
why are you hiding it? And, who tie your hair?
Me, by myself.
By yourself. Let me see. How's my sari-sari store?
Good.
Who touched this?
What? Touch what?
This one.
Wait.
Don't touch it, Baba, ha?
No, Kuya touch
Huh?
it. Kuya touch
Maybe later. You can go grocery later.
I like this.
Oh, Zach, there's a hanger there. What's that, Kuya? Are you done? Thank you, Kuya.
That was phone.
Okay, later you're gonna go grocery later.
Wait, yeah, I want to get that.
What? Spam again?
With his toenail.
Yeah.
Bacon.
Si Kuya, gusto niya na mag-spam.
We'll get
Okay, don't touch. My sari-sari store is closed. Oi,
I don't know how.
it's closed. No touching.
For later. I don't know touch this for later.
For later.
This?
Yeah. Okay, clean up please, Zachary. And Holly. Ito yung lunch namin. Yung leftover na blue eye kagabi. So, ininit ko na to. Ano na naman hinahanap mo, Saki boy? What do you want?
I want suka and
Ano?
ketchup, please.
Australian ketchup? This? Which one? Filipino one?
I'm Filipino sauce. And there's no Filipino sauce. So I can't eat one.
What? Wait, I'm just gonna get suka. Nakakamay silang lahat. Si Holly hindi. Nakakutsara siya. Si Kuya, ayaw nila magkutsara. Hi. Okay, si Sak may ketchup tsaka vinegar. Si Kuya, what do you have? Tartar sauce and ketchup. Okay. Ako, kakainin ko yung tirahong tortang talong kagabi. And may prito pa. Wala na kaming rice. Yes, wait. Humingi pa si Kuya ng rice. So, ibigay ko na lang yung akin. Hati tayo, Kuya. Ang dami niya pang isda. Yes, Baba. What's wrong with your plate? Good job, Baba. Good job. Kuya na talaga. Okay na? Okay? Okay. More rice din daw si Holly.
Is that all right?
Ha?
Is that all right?
Yes, this is my rice. Gusto niyo? That's enough, Baba.
I have not that much.
Okay. Okay?
Hey,
Wow.
just that much.
That's a lot, Baba.
Not there.
No. Dapat daw lagyan ko dito. That's alright. Okay, here's your fish. Say, isda.
Egg.
Yeah, gusto niyo yung tortang talong. Okay. O, diba? Okay. Good job, Baba. Alright. Wait, that's enough! That's too much.
Okay.
Welcome. Go down first. Come here. Go down here.
Thank you.
Naubos niya, guys. Good job, Holly. Wash your hands there, Baba. Good job. Ako gusto ko pa sa kaso wala ng rice. Mamaya na lang ipagpapatuloy.
Oh God! What? Look right under Holly. Show me your dance class thing. Spin around. Go show your mom, Holly. Still go show your mom. Yeah, come on. Hold this, please. Then come back. Yeah. Okay? Come back. Go show your mom. Bush. Well, you have to go with her. Now show us your dance move. Show your dance move. Show your dance. Hey, guys. That's wrong.
Are you vlogging pa?
Yeah. Holly, show me your dance move.
Are you vlogging na ba? Nakaayos na ako kasi mag-film kayo ni Holly mamaya sa Chona's Kitchen. Naririnig ko yung mga bata. Naglalaro sila ng mommy, daddy. Si Holly, ang tinatawag niyang mommy, hindi ko alam kung sino. Parang si Kuya Tiyo. Tapos ang daddy si Saan. Naririnig ko sila mamaya. Nandun sila sa kwarto. Pakinggan nyo na lang.
Look, Dad, I'm just playing stuff.
Yeah, I'm going for the
TJ! Oh, God!
Who's your mommy? Who's your mommy?
She told me and
Oh, what she call you, Kuya?
Mom.
Mom, and then Kuya Sa call.
She calls me Daddy now.
Ah, okay. Who's your daddy, Kuya
How
Tiyo?
long were you standing there?
Not long. Who's your daddy, Kuya Tiyo or Kuya Zach?
Daddy and Mommy.
Who's who?
Daddy and Mommy.
Yan. Narinig ko sila habang nag-aayos ako. Okay, fix your bed, please, ha?
Kuya, that's for my Daddy
Mush?
for my smushy.
Daddy found your... Who's daddy?
Zach.
Kuya Zach?
Daddy, Daddy.
Daddy socks.
Daddy. Where's your daddy?
There.
Okay, get ready. We're gonna film, okay? Ready?
Daddy gonna cook.
Tell daddy you're gonna cook soon.
Daddy gonna cook.
Okay, daddy? I'll buy you your daughter, okay, daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy! Nandito na si John. Come on, Babang! Ano na naman kami nito ni Holly? Magtatawaran na naman kami ng oras. What's wrong? Nasa trampoline siya. Come on! Hey, Han! Malamig! How did you go? What? Ang yabang niya. How did you go?
Yeah.
What? I said, how did you go?
Good, really good.
And then?
What?
What? Come on.
Right.
Hi, Bryce. I didn't know you were there.
Hi, Chona.
Hi.
Oh, you better get Holly Shack. What are you doing, man?
Did he win, Bryce?
Yeah, he won tonight.
Oh, congrats.
Missed me.
He let me win Monday.
Yeah, Monday, si Bryce. Then, how about you? Sunday, right? Saturday? Saturday and today. Then si Bryce Monday.
Missed me eagle today, it's ironic.
That's good.
But
Si
that's fine.
Kuya.
Well, put it this way, Chona.
What's
He's
that?
got to win something because he's hopeless at friggin' fishing. He
That's That's right. No fish.
yeah, I know.
No fish.
Yeah. Imagine if the kids and you were counting on it.
I know. I'm always hoping to have a snapper or something.
Yeah, or a shark, you know.
Yeah, something. What did you do to your snapper's head?
What did I do?
Yeah.
Oh, I gave that away for crayfish bait.
Ah.
No, wonder.
Ginawa
That's
niya.
when I I'll keep it away.
Yeah, please, thank you. Kasi yung yung ulo ng snapper, ginagawa niyo lang na bait.
There you go, Zach.
Malamig.
Just push it out.
Oh my God, what happened? In the middle. In the middle. Oh my. Careful. No way. No way.
You let him try.
No, si Sak doon pa at mag-atras ng buggy. Wait. Ah. Why are you running, Sak? Nagpapahabol si Sak. Malamig. Uulan daw sabi ni Jen. Sana hindi marinig sa sa pag-film namin mamaya ni Holly. Careful, kuya, when you turn, ha? Yan lagi look forward nila pag nag-golf si Jen. Kuya, Sak, can you bring the bike inside because it's gonna rain? Come on. I'm going inside now. Sak, please bring the bike inside, okay? Thank you. Kuya, let Sakay have a turn. What did you say? Okay, what did you say before?
I really excited to do it in Chona's kitchen. Mom, last night I did offense holy, and we need a spatula. Where's the spatula?
Hi, Mrs. Spatula. Who done your hair?
By myself.
Tingnan nyo guys, marunong na siya
I
magtali.
don't touch it.
Oh my God. What are you doing? We're not cooking yet.
My spatula.
Your spatula is here.
Well.
It's here.
Mom,
Ano na ako. Nagpe-prepare na ako ng aming gagamitin. Oh, that's the flour. Oh, yes.
Can I take it out?
Okay.
Wash it.
Use it later. So I just use it. Okay? You look so pretty. Oh, look at this guy.
Can I touch it?
Don't touch. So pretty.
Can I touch it?
Why?
I
Why?
already turned my hair and dang it, never.
Dito ako sa kwarto ni Holly. Inaan ko lang to. Hindi pa kami makapag-film kasi may tao dito. Inaayos yung yung printer. Bago yung printer namin, pero hindi namin connect sa computer. Hindi kami makapag-print. So, sabi niya, tingnan niya raw. Tapos, in-install naman namin yung dapat i-install. Tapos, ewan ko bakit. So, sabi ni Jan, tawagan niya na lang daw yung kakilala niyang marunong sa computer. Parang electrician. Hindi siya electrician. IT electrician. Hi, Baba. So, kanina pa. What time is it, Baba? 3, 3:30 or 4? Mag-alas 4 na siguro.
3:40.
Ano?
3:4.
3, 4.
I mean,
Kasi, baka next term,
wait.
online yung mga bata. So, hindi pa namin sure. So, kailangan namin ang
Wait,
printer. Kasi yung mga
What's
teacher, magsisend sila ng
Mama.
mga,
it's Sunday and Tuesday.
magsisend sila mga
It's only fun day.
homework ng mga bata na gagawin namin dito sa bahay.
Wait, it's time
Ang
for
ganda.
it.
Oh, yeah.
It's time
Can you look
for
there when you talk? Oh, yeah.
It's time for dice.
Parang, hindi ko plinano.
8,
Pero,
16, 9, 10, 11, 50, Dad.
hindi namin plinano. Parang ang damit
Ma'am.
namin, parang bulaklak eh. It's bulaklak, Baba.
Black,
Bulaklak. Flowers.
black selfies.
Bulaklak.
Black flowers.
Nagpaayos siya sa akin ng buhok ko. Kasi kanina, ginaganito ko yung buhok ko, pero tinanggal ko na. And what did you say? What you gonna tell to Daddy? Look at this. Look at him.
I made this by myself. I just pretending.
Kasi sasabihin niya kay Daddy niya na siya raw ang gumawa. Pero pretending lang daw na kunwari siya ang gumawa. Yeah, go. Sabi siya sa Daddy. Kasi di ba siya na yung nagtatali sa buhok niya.
I did this by myself.
You did not.
Yes, I did. I did.
Oh, you don't lie.
I did.
Don't lie, Bob.
Go in the mirror. Bob, quick. Oh, you got a mirror there.
What do you think, Baba? Huh? Pretty?
Don't fall.
Don't fall.
Done that. by myself. Did she? Did she?
Pinaninindigan niya
Who done
talaga.
it?
Who done that, Bob?
Myself. Did she? How you look?
How do I?
look like? Wait, who done that?
Pretty. Say
Who-
pretty.
Pretty. Who done that?
Who done that, Baba?
By myself. Did she?
Wow. Are you amazed?
I'm going to just mom.
I'm joking. Thank you, Baba. You don't lie, right, Baba? You're just joking.
I tie my hair like this.
Yeah, you know how to tie your hair, but this kind, not yet. One day. But you look so pretty like this. Do you want me to do this every day?
And don't touch my hair.
Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, pag hindi niya tinali, pag hindi niya tinali ang, pag hindi niya tinali ang buhok niya, kakalbuhin ko siya.
Dad,
Kaya
I'll tie your hair.
takot na siya. Kaya,
Dad, I'll tie your hair. You look so pretty, guys.
you look so pretty, guys.
I don't
Tinay
see.
daw yung ano niyo, buhok niyo, guys. You look pretty
I'm
now.
watching TV, Dad. Monsters. And Mom.
Ano na hapon na, magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Baka, hindi ko na to ituloy. Bukas na lang tayo magluto, nak. Kasi ano na, anong oras na ba? What time is it, Baba?
6, 5:11, 9.
5:11, 4:13. Today is
5.
April 16. And, sure na late na ito mapapanood.
I'm this up, Mom.
Ha?
I'm gonna cut this up.
Okay.
Now to take also. Not out overtake.
What are you singing? What are you singing? Baba, get dressed na, Baba, because I don't think so we're gonna film.
I wanna
You're gonna wear that tomorrow.
wear it now.
No, that's for Chona's kitchen tomorrow.
No,
Ang dami niyang, ano,
this is for dancing.
I know, but you can wear that tomorrow so we have matchy-matchy. Magbibihis na ako, baka
No, I wanna
hindi na lang ako mag-film. Kasi hapon na magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Mami gonna cook
I
dinner.
want it now.
Okay, don't make it dirty, okay? You're gonna wear that tomorrow. In Chona's kitchen.
We have to get out the coronavirus.
No, we cannot go out, you know that.
No, we can't get out for this. I'm really sad.
Why are you really sad? Because you cannot go out.
Wait,
Hmm?
I don't that can do that shopping.
You're shopping. Kaalis lang guys ng nag-fix ng printer namin. So bukas na lang ako mag sa Chona's kitchen. Kasi ano ko na pa naman, nalagay ko na yung mga gagamitin andito. Yan lang naman, oh. Konti lang naman kasi gagawa ulit kami na what mommy's gonna make again? Your request, kuya? What's your request?
Churros.
Ha?
Churros.
Churros. Gusto nila mag-shopping. Wait, I'm just gonna change my clothes. Wait for mommy.
What's your
Ayan guys, nagka-pajama na ako. Where are you going?
We're going.
Where?
I was this.
Oh, wait. It's not open yet. You have to knock. Okay.
I want this, please. I want this.
Oh, put in the bag. Put in the bag.
What's going on? What's that?
Huh?
We've always had that one.
So what? You want popcorn?
Daddy, what's this?
What
Peanut?
are you having, Bob?
Dad, peanut?
Hi, Holly. How many you have there? You already have lollies.
One.
Oh, put the lollies. Put the lollies, please.
This is not the
Hi, honey. You just had Kit Kat yesterday.
Nah.
I give you Kit
Fine,
Kat.
it's all right. It's not like cake.
I give you.
bag. You can only choose one.
Yeah, only one. So my grocery store will last. I don't know when.
Oh, I wait.
How many? It's been a month. I haven't been in the month, huh? Yeah, parang isang buwan. Huy! Ano nang pinagkukuha mo dyan? How many you have? Go get Cloud9, kuya.
No, he already chose.
Oh, Holly, it's alright. You can have another.
Wait, can I choose one of the snacks down the bottom?
Okay, you can have snacks.
Chazels.
Doritos?
What do you want?
Go Chazels.
Cheezels?
Hoy, that's mine!
No.
That's mine, honey! Oh.
I'm
I
getting
was like,
Hoy, that's enough?
Can I get the Doritos?
No, that's enough.
Yeah,
Next
but
time.
I'll
Next
try.
shopping. Next shopping!
Oh, I'm getting the dip next shopping. I'm getting the dip next shopping.
Okay, next shopping.
Okay.
what else, tea, bud?
Mince?
It
With-
tastes carrot potato.
Yeah.
We're having Cheetos for tea.
Hindi mo kasi sinapin. Hoy, Nak, that's for movie.
Yeah, there's a movie right now.
Hoy, we can have tea. Hoy, tea first.
Have it after tea.
After tea. Yeah, you can have Cloud9.
Ladies, wait for tea.
When was the last time you went grocery to my shop, Kuya? 2 days? 3 days ago? Oh,
Oh, I
hindi.
should have got spam.
Ah.
Wait,
No, spam.
can I replace it with this one?
No. He forgot the spam.
This one. Right, replace it with this one.
No.
This one.
The shop is closed, Kuya.
I'm done.
And he was planning before he's gonna get the spam and then he forgot.
I'm gonna go read.
No! Next time. Next time. Tatawa ko ito.
Eat one of them now.
Not yet. Just eat something first. Mommy, no, it's 5. I'm gonna cook now. Magluto na ako, guys. Ito yung aking lulutuin.
What is that?
Yung gusto mo rin ni Jana. Kainin yung may carrots and peas, yes?
Not pizza.
Fita? Oh, yes. I have fita. Okay, you can have a snack. Fita. Yung pinag-grocery nyo.
Yes.
Na alam niyo na kung ano yan, guys. Konti lang naman, oh. Si Holy talaga, kinuha niya na naman to. Wala na tayo. This is last. Wala na ako nito sa grocery. Sa sari-sari store. Dalawa lang yan eh. Kinuha nila last time. Ilagay muna natin to dito. Suggestion si Kuya, yes?
Your shop should be open Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, then Monday again.
Why?
Because
Why? Because why?
no, every day.
Every day. If it's every day, we're gonna run out of food.
Every second day.
Yeah, every second day. Magsasaing muna ako. Eto, kabubukas ko lang to kahapon. Kahapon ba o kagabi? Yeah. Basta eto, pag sinaing ko to, pangalawang saing na to sa isang ganito. So, parang kalahating kilo sa isang saingan namin. Niligo na yung mga bata. Pinapaliguan na ni Jan. What happened? Why? Nanonood kami ng news. Nagbihis ako kasi magluluto ako, mangangamoy yung aking PJ ng ulam. So, ang gagawin, nakasaing na ako, ay nakasalang na yung aking rice. Paubos na ang ano namin, ang aming vegetables. Meron pa naman. May carrots pa naman. Dalawa nito. And ano pa ba? Patata. Meron na. Patatas. May kalahating patatas nasa labas yung patatas. Siguro dalawa lang. Tinitipid ko yung ano namin. Yung, isa lang kasi malaki siya. Hugasan ko to. Tinitipid ang patatas. Sabi ko kay Jan, gusto niya sana ang partner nito ay mashed potato. Sabi ko, hindi ka magma-mashed potato kasi wala tayong masyadong patatas. Sabi ko, magkanin ka ngayon. Sabi ko, next time na lang. Sabi niya, nagano-gano siya. Sabi ko, tiis-tiis ka muna. Lagay ko muna kayo dito kasi maghihiwa ko ng patatas, carrots.
That after all this time, you read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. All this waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking.
Start na and katapos ko lang magluto. Ayan na yung giniling na baka. Asikasuhin ko na yung dinner nila kasi 30 minutes late na yung dinner. Wait lang.
You read between these
Face mat quiz.
Okay, just do it. Just do it. Come on. So what are you gonna do? Have you done it before? What do I do? Give it to me! Give it to me!
What happened, Sak? Ito na yung dinner nila, oh. Wait for Daddy because Daddy's putting the place in ma.
Get rice.
Naligo pala siya, nag-bath, nakatali pa yung kanyang, and tingnan nyo, nagbihis na naman siya. Kuya Kuya teacher. Hoy, Holly.
Hot, darling.
Kuya, it's Holly.
Hot, Zach.
Holly, careful with your clothes.
Huh?
I told you it's hot. Kuya, tea is ready. Tinatawag siya ni Holly. Excuse me, Han. It's hot, Zach.
Zach.
Ano masasabi mo, Zach?
What?
Anong masasabi mo? I hope you understand me. Ano masasabi mo sa luto ni Mami?
Thank you.
Ano masasabi mo sa luto ni Mami? Ha? Ano masasabi mo sa luto ni Mami?
Hello!
No. Ano masasabi mo sa luto ni Mami? Oh, you figure it out, Zach.
I figured it out!
Good job, Kuya.
Oh, now he told me.
Yeah. Good job. Okay, come on, eat. Zach, ano masasabi mo sa luto ni Mami?
Sabihan siya mo lang namin, Mami.
Ano?
Oh!
What? Ano?
Para sound holy. Is it?
Anong Holly, you have your own. Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi? No.
Nah, I can say. Tell me.
How's Mommy's cooking?
Say that with me. Yes.
Anong yes?
Good.
Good. Ikaw, honey? Good. Kain na rin ako. And malit na plato para konting kanin lang. Kain, guys! Tumalikod siya. Kumukuha pa siya, guys. Diba?
Hello!
Sabi ko sa inyo, ikakain din yan. Kahit walang mashed potato. Good job, man. Tawa kami ng tawa kasi si Jan. Ano, what happened sa... May commercial na... ano ba yung CCTV?
Camera for you so you don't steal our remote.
Sabi nila sa daddy nila, magpapabili raw sila kay Jan ng CCTV para makita nila kung saan ko tinatago yung remote ng PS4. Kasi 2 days na sila hindi nakaka-PS4. Na you won't see it. You cannot find it, kuya. Tapos na sila and si daddy ang maghuhugas. You're done? Good job. Are you done, Baba? Slowly, kuya. You're done?
No, I want more things.
She's had already takes of that.
Okay.
This.
You want more meals? Akala ko tapos na siya. Kaya pala pinapakita niya yung kanyang bibig. You want more? Akala ko ibibigay niya yun sa daddy niya.
More, please.
Okay, that's enough, Baba. This is a lot. Okay. Welcome. Come on. Here's Holly.
Hey, it's not
John,
gonna
John.
hold it.
Just,
How many's in there?
just one.
one?
Diba si Holly? Oh. Kinuha niya yung bowl. What did you do there, Papa?
Hey, can we play with this?
It's
How
your
many, Zach? 3
toy.
minutes?
Yeah, 3.
Pa-popcorn na sila kasi Ice Age. What's that movie?
I say.
What?
The dinosaurs.
Dawn of the dinosaur. Dawn of the dinosaur.
Where are the mollies? Oh, there it is.
Si Holly.
No! Teeth!
Who's gonna hold?
I'm
Oh, honey, oh.
having mollies.
Hoy, honey, oh. Hoy, yoy, yoy, yoy. Go to daddy, daddy.
Dad!
Honey,
What is this?
honey, make sure they're not gonna eat all that lollies, honey.
Sound
Not all, TJ.
Oh, I want one.
Don't eat it all, please. We
I
don't.
don't eat it all.
Yeah, we
Just
don't.
a couple.
Yeah, we don't have lollies. That's the last one.
Can we eat all the popcorn?
Baba,
Of
Baba.
course. Favorite niyo.
Can I want? I want one!
Right, miss it.
Thanks.
I have-
You
can I have
can
one,
do it
please?
normal.
Etong paborito ko
Everyone
din.
gets tea.
Si Holly, dito ba ito? Yes, Baba?
Mr. Milk.
Ha? Inubad niya na yung damit niya.
Daddy.
Nah, just like the.
Whatever. Hindi niya hinugatan yung kawali.
No, it's good.
Honey, she might fall.
So much.
No! 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 Zachary.
Oh, I haven't got one.
No! Honey! Honey, no!
It's only clumsy.
Si Saki yun nahulog na. Nalaglag din yung buhok. Honey, come on.
What? What?
Wait! 1 second!
Ay, careful. What's gonna hold?
Me!
Just do that part.
Yeah, I know.
And turn around to the other one.
I do know, honey. But careful, it's very hot. Ang bango. Ano to? Yung
Popcorn. Popcorn.
triple butter.
Careful, Zachary.
Careful, Zach. Can I have
Yeah.
some?
Oh.
Oh no, you always grab a lot.
Oh, this is
That's
mine.
enough.
Yep, thank you. Ito yung
Thank you. Why did I want to put more? No, it's not.
You can't say.
Nanonood pa rin sila ng movie. Tinatawag ako ni Holly. I know! You're done? Good job. So let's close the vlog now. We're gonna close our vlog. Andun siya. Oh, wait. Andun siya. Hi, Holly. Say hi. Hi. Good job.
Don't vlog me.
I don't vlog you. Sorry. Okay. Say,
Join it in the tissue and goodbye, guys.
bye, guys.
I can hold it up.
Okay. Good night, guys. Okay, say good night now. Good night now.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like,
Please subscribe
if you haven't yet.
yet.
See you on our next vlog.
Mom,
What's that, Papa? May sumisigaw. What's that, Papa?
I said cooking.
Huh?
I said cooking.
Ano?
I said cooking.
Cooking. Say bye.
Bye-bye, cooking.
Good night.
Please say my cooking.
Say good night.
Good night.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause